Imagine this. You just spent $40,000 on a car, expecting it to last at least 200,000 miles. But because of one simple thing you didn't do every month, your engine fails at 120,000 miles. That's a $5,000, $7,000 repair bill, gone in a flash. The crazy part? The habit that could have saved your engine takes less than 5 minutes, costs practically nothing, and is so simple most mechanics never bother to tell you. Why? Because keeping you in the dark keeps their repair shops busy. Today, I'll reveal the once-a-month rituals that world-class mechanics, fleet managers, and million-mile car owners swear by to make engines last nearly forever. And if you stay until the end, I'll share a forgotten old-school trick, the one that airlines and trucking companies use to keep their engines running flawlessly for decades. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, the oil cap and dipstick inspection. This isn't just about checking the oil level. Once a month, pull the dipstick and remove the oil cap. Look closely. On the dipstick, oil should be smooth and amber. If it's gritty, thick, or blackened, it's cooking your bearings alive. Under the oil cap, any foamy, milky residue means coolant might be mixing with oil, an early sign of a blown head gasket, which can cost $3,000, $5,000 to repair. Most drivers don't notice the warning signs until it's too late, but this 2-minute check once a month can stop catastrophic damage before it happens. Fleet mechanics have a saying, engines don't die suddenly, they whisper first. The dipstick is your engine whispering. Secret number 2, monthly PCV valve check. The positive crankcase ventilation PCV valve is a $10, $20 part, but if it clogs, it can blow out seals, flood the intake with oil vapor, and skyrocket oil consumption. Every month, pull it out and shake it. If it rattles freely, it's good. If not, replace it. Many veteran mechanics agree that one stuck PCV valve has caused more mystery oil leaks than any other part. Think about it. Would you rather spend $15 today or $1,500 replacing seals and gaskets later? Secret number 3, inspect belts and hoses by hand. Engines don't just fail from inside. Rubber components are just as critical. Once a month, with the engine off and cool, run your hands along the belts and hoses. Belts should feel smooth, not cracked or glazed. Hoses should feel firm, not mushy or brittle. A $25 cracked hose can lead to overheating, which warps the cylinder head. That's a $4,000 repair avoided with 1 minute of checking. Veteran mechanic Scotty Kilmer has said countless times, 90% of blown head gaskets I've seen started with a cheap hose that nobody bothered to inspect. Secret number 4, fuel system refresh with top-tier gas. Here's a trick most drivers don't realize. Once a month, fill up with top-tier gasoline, Chevron, Shell, Costco, etc., the ones certified with extra detergents. Even if you normally buy budget gas, this monthly detergent flush keeps injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers clean. According to SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers studies, carbon buildup can reduce fuel efficiency by 10% and power by 15%. Once a month of top-tier fuel prevents this. No expensive injector cleaners needed. Secret number 5, air filter visual check. Don't wait until your mechanic tells you. Once a month, pop the air filter out. Hold it up to the sun. If you can't see light through it, replace it. A clogged air filter makes your engine run rich, washing excess fuel into the oil, thinning it, and accelerating wear. For less than $20, you save your rings, pistons, and fuel economy. And here's the psychological factor. Most drivers think changing an air filter is mechanic territory. When they find out it's a 2-minute DIY job, they're shocked. This simple monthly check can make anyone feel like a pro. Secret number 6, the cooling system. Quick scan engines die from overheating more often than from running out of oil. Once a month, check the coolant reservoir. The fluid should be bright green, pink, or blue, depending on your car. If it's rusty, brown, or low, you're cooking your engine slowly. A $15 bottle of coolant beats a $3,500 head gasket or warped cylinder head any day. Veteran Toyota and Honda mechanics swear that engines hitting 500,000 plus miles all share one secret: pristine cooling systems. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, I've heard of oil checks and filters, but do these really make a car last forever? Here's the part mechanics definitely don't want you to know. These monthly habits don't just add a little life to your car, they can double or triple its lifespan. I've seen fleet cars run 700,000 miles with these exact routines, while identical models in lazy hands died at 150,000. And the next tips are even more shocking, including a trick that costs $0 but resets your entire engine's brain. Wiping out hidden glitches, mechanics charge hundreds to fix. Secret number 7, monthly transmission fluid check without a flush. Here's where most drivers get burned. Dealerships push expensive transmission flushes, sometimes $300, $500, and often those flushes kill more transmissions than they save. Instead, once a month, simply check the fluid condition. Healthy fluid, clear, bright red, with no burnt smell. Bad fluid, dark, brown, or smells like burnt toast. If you catch it early, a simple $60 drain and fill keeps the gearbox alive for decades. Ignore it, and you'll be facing a $4,000, $6,000 transmission rebuild. As transmission expert Charles Ofria puts it, a quick check beats a quick death. Secret number 8, resetting the car's ECU once a month. This one blows people's minds. Modern cars learn your driving habits, but over time, that learning gets confused. Shifts become rough, throttle response dulls, and sensors start overcompensating. Here's the free monthly reset trick. Turn the key to the on position, engine off. Press the gas pedal all the way down and hold for 15 seconds. Release the pedal, then start the car normally. This forces the ECU to relearn fresh parameters. Mechanics sometimes charge $150+ for this reset service, but it takes you less than a minute. Do it monthly and your car runs like new. Smoother shifts, sharper throttle, better fuel economy. Secret number 9, battery and electrical quick test. Pop the hood once a month and look at your battery terminals. If you see white or green crust, that corrosion is choking your car's electrical system. Clean it with a wire brush and a little baking soda soak water solution. Why it matters. Weak batteries force alternators to work harder, which burns them out prematurely, a $500 repair that could have been avoided. Pro tip, lightly coat the terminals with petroleum jelly after cleaning. It prevents future corrosion for months. Secret number 10, tire rotation awareness. You don't need to rotate tires every month, but you do need to check for uneven wear. Run your hand along the tread. If one edge feels smoother, you're killing suspension components. Uneven tire wear stresses ball joints, tie rods, and struts. A simple $40 alignment every few years saves you thousands in suspension repairs later. Truck fleet managers check tire wear religiously because they know one bad alignment eats tires and engines. Extra rolling resistance means more load on the motor. Secret number 11, cabin filter and HVAC awareness. Most people forget this one. Once a month, switch on your AC and heater at full blast, even if you don't need them. Why? Because running the system keeps seals lubricated and prevents mold buildup. A clogged cabin filter forces the blower motor to strain, and when that fails, it's a $300, $600 repair. Swap the filter once or twice a year, but run the system monthly to keep it alive. Secret Durwan 12, the forgotten old-school trick. Monthly Italian tune-up. Now, here's the one hardly anyone talks about. Mechanics call it the Italian tune-up. Once a month, after the engine is fully warmed up, take your car on the highway and give it a few strong accelerations. Not reckless driving, but pushing the RPMs higher than usual for a few seconds. Why? It burns off carbon deposits in the combustion chamber, clears the catalytic converter, and keeps sensors happy. Automakers like BMW and Mercedes quietly recommend this practice in their European service manuals, but they don't tell American drivers. Why? Because smoother engines mean fewer shop visits. So here's the shocking truth. Doing these 12 once-a-month habits costs you less than $10 and maybe 30 minutes total. But they can save you from $3,000 engine rebuilds, $6,000 transmission failures, and thousands in wasted fuel. Mechanics won't tell you these secrets because they make their living off your breakdowns. But now you know. The question is, will you actually do them? Or will you wait until that $5,000 repair bill lands in your lap? Tell me in the comments, which of these monthly habits surprised you the most? And be honest, are you already doing any of them? Or is this the first time you've heard these tricks? And before you click away, if you really want to unlock the next level, watch my video on 11 simple tricks that double your car's lifespan. It reveals the long-term habits that million-mile drivers swear by. Because remember, cars don't die from old age. They die from neglect.